the former flyweight world champion, former super bantamweight world champion, former featherweight world champion, former super featherweight world champion, former lightweight world champion, former light welterweight world champion, and reigning, defending WBO welterweight champion of the world.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Maraming magagaling na boxers na nag-champion na ng maraming beses sa WBO, WBC, WBA at IBF. Isama mo pa ang The Ring at ang iba ay nag-multiple division champion pa. Pero may pinakauna, nag-iisa at bukod tanging may hawak ng 8 division world champion. At syempre, kilala nating lahat, si Manny Pacquiao, ang ating pambansang kamao. Sa bidyong ito muli nating balikan at pag-usapan kung paano at sino-sino ang mga naging biktima niya dito. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman pre, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga videos ko. Mula taong 1998 hanggang 2010, from flyweight division o 112 pounds hanggang sa super welterweight o 154 pounds ay inapakan na ni Manny Pacquiao para masungkit ang 8 kampyonato sa 8 iba't ibang division at hirangin bilang ang nag-iisang may hawak nito. Unang division na sinakop ni Manny Pacquiao ay ang flyweight noong 1998 nang kalabanin niya ang bitiranong kampyon ng Thailand na si Chatchay Sasakul para sa WBC lineal flyweight o 112 pounds at tinalo niya ang defending champion via 8-round knockout.
Manny Pacquiao, Chatchay's mouth is open. That's not a good sign. Pacquiao is going in trouble. Pacquiao is down. He's down. Chatchay's down. Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao. He's not going to get up. 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 Manny Pacquiao.
Ikalawang division ay ang junior featherweight o 122 pounds noong 2001 kontra naman sa tigasin ng South Africa na si Lidwaba para sa IBF junior featherweight. Ito ang unang laban ni Manny Pacquiao sa bansang Amerika at dito ginulantang niya ang mga banyaga sa lakas ng kamao niya. Tinalo via TKO sa 6th round ang defending champion.
Lidwaba. Yeah, and Joe Cortez has seen enough. That's a TKO victory for the very impressive Manny Pacquiao, who takes a good fighter and just...
And now, a two-time world champion, he is now the reigning IBF Super Bantamweight Champion of the world, Manny Pacquiao.
Pangatlong division ay ang featherweight o 126 pounds noong 2003 kontra sa pambato ng bansang Mexico, ang sikat na si Marco Antonio Barrera. Para ito sa The Ring lineal featherweight at pinasuko nga niya ang kampiyon ng Mexico via 11th round TKO.
You hear Lawrence Cole saying accidental headbutt, and it is a big cut. Guerrero's been cut many times before. That's a bad one, although it's small. There's no way a great fighter should have to go through 3 more minutes of this.
No, because Pacquiao is not backing off. If you had a guy that was
He's
holding
getting
off
hurt.
with his
Here comes Ferreira's corner. Ferreira's corner man is up on the apron. He's going to step into the ring. That's a good decision. Finally. They could have done that 2 rounds ago.
A great finish by Pacquiao.
Pang-apat ay ang super featherweight division o 130 pounds noong 2008 kontra naman sa matibay na Meksikano pa rin, si Juan Manuel Dinamita Marquez. Ito ang pangalawang tagpo ng dalawa. Una ay ang controversial na split draw. Ang laban na to ay para naman sa WBC super featherweight, The Ring junior lightweight at lineal super featherweight na nagresulta pa rin sa pagkapanalo ng ating pambansang kamao via split decision.
The same sequence of punches. One more combination for Pacquiao. They trade shots down the stretch.
Another draw. Split decision. And new champion from the Philippines, Manny
Panglimang division ay ang lightweight o 135 pounds noong 2008 pa rin, kontra naman sa malakas na Amerikano na si defending champion David Diaz. Ang laban na to ay para sa WBC lightweight at nagresulta pa rin ito sa tagumpay ni Manny Pacquiao via 9th round TKO.
How many more? Down he goes, and Dracula stops the fight.
He should have never got to that.
Welcome to the lightweight.
Ika-6 na division ay ang junior o light welterweight o 140 pounds noong 2009 kontra sa kampiyon na Briton na si Ricky Hatton. Ang bakbakan ay para sa daring junior welterweight, lineal light welterweight at tinalo pa rin ni Manny Pacquiao si Ricky Hatton via second round knockout.
Another perfect right hand for Pacquiao. Another right hook. Straight left hand. Pacquiao's landing at will. Hard left hand. Hatton has to hold on. Will Hatton make it out of the round? He's down for the second time. This is the brilliance of the Filipino slugger. Oh my gosh, what a straight left hand. And will Hatton make it up from this? Can he beat the count? Is that it? And Kenny Bayless says, no way. That is that. What an amazing knockout shot. That is the most. So Floyd Mayweather made his statement on a podium this morning, saying I'm back and I'm still the best. Manny Pacquiao makes his statement right here in the ring, knocking out Ricky Hatton.
Pang-7 division ay ang welterweight noong 2009 pa rin, kontra naman sa top body puncher ng division, ang kampiyon ng Puerto Rico na si Miguel Angel Cotto. Ang laban na to ay para naman sa WBO welterweight at tagumpay pa rin si Manny Pacquiao sa pagsungkit sa titulo via 12 round TKO.
By the others in the corner, including head trainer Joe Santiago. Now Kenny Bayless does his duty.
New WBO welterweight champion of the world, the Fighting Pride.
Pang-8 division ay ang super welterweight o 154 pounds noong 2008 kontra naman sa Tijuana Tornado ng Mexico na si Antonio Margarito. Ang laban ay para sa bakanting WBC super welterweight. Nagpaulan ng kamao, bugbog sarado ang Tornado ng Mexico na si Margarito at panalo ang ating pambansang kamao via lopsided unanimous decision.
And out punch, but the referee has to wait on 2 more seconds for it to stop.
Manuel, he's rearranging Margarito's face.
If the referee stopped, there wouldn't be any complaint. But
Tunay ngang kahanga-hanga, bukod tangi, at nag-iisa si Manny Pacquiao bilang 8th Division World Champion. Bukod sa napakatagumpay na karera sa boxing, ay isa din siyang aktibong tagapaglingkod sa bayan bilang senador at minsan na ding naging pro basketball player, artista, singer at iba pa. Dagdag mo pa ang pagiging reserve Philippine Army at syempre ang pagiging mabuting asawa at ama ng kanyang pamilya. Kaya di nakapagtatakang maraming humahanga sa kanya, mapabakser man, sikat na personalidad hanggang sa mga simple at ordinaryong tao, at isa na ako. Maraming salamat Pacman sa karangalang dinala mo sa ating bayan at sa inspirasyong dinulot mo sa mamamayan at lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataan. Mabuhay ka Manny. Salamat sa panonood mga pre. Amping. Shout out kay Aljon Tanting, Anton Balsa, Mekaniko from Southern Leyte, Rico Place, Alo TV, Dutski Dut, GR Mahusay, Filipino Boxer. Ingat kayo dyan pre at maraming salamat sa panonood.